What are OATP1B1 proteins and statin interactions? Imagine your liver as a busy city, with tiny transporters acting like delivery trucks bringing in packages. One of these trucks is called OATP1B1, and it plays a big role in how your body handles certain medications, especially statins. These proteins are found on the surface of liver cells and help move drugs from your blood into the liver. This process is key because the liver is where cholesterol is made and where many drugs are broken down or removed from your body. Statins are drugs used to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They work by blocking an enzyme called HMG-CoA reductase, which helps produce cholesterol. But for statins to do their job, they need to get into the liver cells first. That's where OATP1B1 comes in. It acts like a gatekeeper, allowing statins to enter the liver cells so they can do their work. Now, here's where things get interesting. The gene that makes OATP1B1 is called SLCO1B1. Sometimes, people have genetic differences in this gene. For example, a change called the 521TC variant can make the transporter less active. When this happens, less statin gets into the liver, so more of the drug stays in the blood. This can lead to higher blood levels of statins, which might increase the chance of side effects like muscle pain or weakness. Certain medicines can also interfere with OATP1B1. Drugs like cyclosporine, gemfibrozil, some antibiotics, and fusidic acid can block the transporter. When this happens, even if your body is trying to clear the drug, it gets stuck in your bloodstream. This buildup can make side effects more likely, especially muscle problems. That's why doctors need to be careful when prescribing statins along with these other drugs. Different statins have different levels of reliance on OATP1B1. For example, simvastatin, pravastatin, rosuvastatin, and atorvastatin all depend on this transporter to some degree. Their ability to enter the liver varies, which affects how well they work and how likely they are to cause side effects. Understanding how OATP1B1 works helps doctors personalize treatment. If someone has a genetic variant or is taking a drug that blocks this transporter, they might need a lower dose of statins or an alternative medication. This way, they can lower their cholesterol safely without risking muscle damage. In essence, OATP1B1 proteins are like gatekeepers that control how much statin enters your liver. Changes in their function, whether from genes or other drugs, can change how your body handles these medications. Knowing about these interactions helps ensure that statin therapy is both effective and safe for everyone.